Hi guys, I'm Rica G and this is RicaGChannel. Welcome back for another vlog, and before I start, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell below for you to be notified whenever I upload new videos. If you're new on this channel talks about lifestyle, tutorial, tips, and reviews.
So guys, for today's video, tuturo ko kung paano kayo mag-create ng Prulife UK account nyo online. And kung paano magbayad ng premium through GCash. So let's start. So what are the benefits of Pruaccess? First is you can update your contact information. Next is you can track your policy premium. And also you can view your fund value and policy benefits. So before we start, please prepare the following: contact number, email address, and your policy number, which can be found on the policy plan. So once you open the pruaccess.prulifeuk.com.ph, lalabas na ito. Click natin tong register now. Then mag-a-appear itong agreement. Sa pinakababa, click natin tong agree and enroll now. Then mag-a-appear yung policy owners information na kailangan nating fill upan, email address, username, first name, last name, date of birth, landline, and yung mobile number. Sa second part is yung policy information. Input nyo lang yung policy number, 8-digit yun, makikita dun sa policy plan. And then yung policy effectivity date. Sa third part, ito yung security question. Tatlong security question yun. And then i-input nyo yung answer. And then submit. So, mag-a-appear na to. Thank you for enrolling in Pruaccess. Please check your registered email address for instructions on initial login. So, ayan, makaka-receive na kayo ng email, ng instruction. Meron siyang ibibigay na temporary password. And kapag pumunta ka dun sa website nila, pwede ka nang magpalit ng password. So, accept and send to email. Yan. Ilalagay mo na ngayon yung username mo, yung current na password na sinend. Okay, let us discuss naman next on how to pay premium through GCash naman. So, ilagin natin yung GCash account natin. Click natin tong may tatlong dot dito na show more. So, lalabas yung may dashboard. Baba pa tayo sa pinaka-bottom, yung bills payment. Click natin tong insurance. Click natin yung Prulife. And then, i-enter natin yung policy number. And then, confirm. So, makaka-receive tayo ng confirmation from GCash and through text.
That's it. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel, RicaGChannel. Thank you. Bye!